Okay, this is Dan McIsaac. I'm shooting a short screencast here on how to find physics papers for your physics class projects. The papers we're going to try and search are from the American Association of Physics Teachers. These are appropriate for most introductory physics courses and teaching most introductory physics courses. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the web server run at Buffalo State for physics education, PhysicsEd.BuffaloState.Edu. First one came up, very nice. Off we go. The server looks like this. I'm going to make it a little bigger so you can see, read it a little easier. Okay, so this is the PhysicsEd.BuffaloState.Edu server. This is a link into your library journals, online physics education journals at BSc. We'll click on that. The journals that we want are actually published by the American Association of Physics Teachers, and they're really the Physics Teacher and the American Journal of Physics. There are other journals in here, but these are the two that are of most interest to us. Now, these journals are ordinarily locked down. You have to pay to get access to them, but as grad students and undergraduate students at Buffalo State College, what happens is if you click on this website, it takes you to what's called a proxy server. The proxy server lets you type in your Buffalo State authentication information, your login and password. And then what happens is Buffalo State notifies the American Association of Physics Teachers that, yeah, you should get full access to these journals. And that's what happens here. It takes you off to the AIP website, but notice it's through the proxy server. So AIP will give the articles to Buffalo State. They'll give them to you because you paid your tuition. Okay, so there are many, many American Institute of Physics journals. We don't want most of them. We really want the ones that are published by the American Association of Physics Teachers here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares down. So you'll have to deselect all, then go down here to AAPT and select that one, and then go up here to Submit and Close. Now, let's suppose you're looking for a particular article. You can type in whatever keywords and phrases. For instance, you might be looking for something on ultrasonic rangers, because that might be what you're teaching with. You click on that. I happen to know there's an article in here because I published one. Up come, in this case, 8 articles, is that what I saw? Yeah, 8 articles on Ranger. Now, if you search just ultrasonic or just Ranger, you'll receive many more articles, but ultrasonic Ranger brought up 8. This is a discussion of what's going on. This is a paper here talking about how technically the system works and how it technically doesn't work when it doesn't work. You click on that. Up comes an abstract, which is let you know whether or not you want to go on. In this case, it's kind of interesting because there's citations by. If you want to figure out who else has written papers since then, you can click on that. And when you want to get the PDF, you click on the PDF, which gives you the paper. There's a title page. And then this is the paper itself. So it's an elderly paper from 2002. Across the bottom here, it prints a footer stating who downloaded it on what date, so that if you do choose to redistribute it via the web, they can chase after you and make you pay for that somehow, I guess. So that's how you get your journal articles from AAPT journals using the Buffalo State proxy servers, which is accessed through starting way back here at PhysicsEd.BuffaloState.Edu. under the online physics education course journals.